Earthworm, snail and cockroach. Let's begin the module on earthworm, snail and cockroach with a race. Earthy the earthworm, Ailey the snail, and Carrie the cockroach are in a race to beat each other. The track stretches from the tree till the exit gate of the park. Looking at the diversity of the participants, the run is going to be a long and tough one. Let's find out who wins the race in the module on earthworm, snail and cockroach, where we study. Let's get back to the great race. The race is about to begin. Ready, steady and go. Is the competition amongst unequals? Can't say as of now. Let's see how each of these trio move on the ground. In row 1, we have Earthy the earthworm. An earthworm's body has many rings joined together. Its body is all muscles and no bones. Large number of tiny bristles connected to muscles project out from under its body. While the earthworm moves, it extends the front part of its body, keeping the rear end fixed to the ground with bristles. Then it fixes the front part, releases the rear end, and drags its rear end forward. Quite an effort in coordination. It needs to keep repeating such muscle contractions and relaxations so that Earthy is able to move through the soil. In row 2, we have Ailey the snail. How can one think of carrying luggage on one's back while on the run, that too in a race? Is this the cause of the snail's pace? Ah, it's the shell on its back. Guess it can't do without. It's born with it. It goes wherever the snail goes. The best part is the shell protects the snail's soft body. The snail has 2 tentacles with eyes at the tip. It can see the world around with its raised eyes. Does the snail have feet? Yes. But where are they? Expectedly underneath its body. This is one. Where is the other one? Oh, it has only one foot. The single foot is in the form of a long, muscular organ spread underneath its body. The muscles in the foot contract and expand to push our friend Ailey the snail forward. Carrie the cockroach is in row 3. He looks pretty confident. Let's see what makes him move. The body of a cockroach is covered by a hard, brown-colored shell. The cockroach has legs in excess. 3 pairs of legs for walking. These legs are connected by muscles to the body. Additionally, the Almighty has been kind enough to bless the cockroach with 2 pairs of wings as well. Wings! This means our Carrie can fly. Look, he's gone and already reached the winning post. The rules of the race were not clearly stated. Better luck next time. The snail moves by creeping on a flat foot underneath its body. What are the silvery tracks left in the garden by a snail? The foot of a snail has special glands which produce slimy mucus to make a slippery track for easy movement. When the slime is released and it comes in contact with the air, it hardens to form a silvery tract. Let's take an example that connects the theory with the real. An earthworm is a segmented worm that lives in the ground. Let us do an activity where we make a wormery. Let's take a large jar that has a wide opening. Add some soil and water the soil well. Now put some dead leaves, vegetable waste and earthworms in the jar. Place a paper bag over the top of the jar. This will keep out light but let the oxygen in. Keep the wormery in a damp area and keep an eye on the earthworms. You will observe the earthworms working in the soil. The earthworms can digest decaying parts and can also loosen the soil by their frequent movements into and out of the soil. This makes a very good wormery compost, which is great plant nutrient and manure. Let's challenge our brains. Dodge this belief. Cockroaches are afraid of light. Well, not exactly. While most species of cockroaches prefer darkness, some are actually attracted to light and can be found roaming near windows or on television screens at night. They scatter when light is shone upon them, and this reaction is more influenced by their fear of humans.